Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Volvo S90. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This Volvo has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, protection package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.